name's Les Matheson. I'm Managing Director at East Gippsland Water. East Gippsland Water is a regional water corporation based in Bairnsdale, and the districts we serve go from Bairnsdale through to Mallacoota and to the alpine areas of Dinner Plain. Why would you want to work in the water industry? The water industry has a great range of occupations, from trades through to professional, paraprofessional and really specialist roles in the extreme end of the professional sphere of occupations. You're able to work in regional centres, capital cities or internationally, and you can work in large and small teams. So all those things are important when you're looking at your future.
Hi, I'm Pam and I work for the customer support team at East Gippsland Water. I handle property transfers and tenancies, as well as various administration duties. I'm on the phone a lot, working at the front counter, handling new connections, etc.
Hello, my name's James. I'm a customer support officer at East Gippsland Water. My role on a day-to-day basis is really to assist customers with general inquiries, paying bills on the phone end at the front counter, of course.
Hi, my name is Zoe and I'm the Environment and Education Officer for East Gippsland Water. I have joint roles at the corporation, so 50% of my time I spend working on the environmental management system and other environmental projects that come up as required, and the other 50% of my time I spend on education programs such as National Water Week, Environmental Schools Week, projects we work on including Summer by the Sea. I also do community education, so a lot of tours, talks, info sessions and expos.
My name's Sarah and my position at East Gippsland Water is a finance officer. My core areas of responsibility include the corporation's payroll, accounts receivable, accounts payable and bank reconciliation. I have a lot of interaction with internal and external customers and get to visit many sites across East Gippsland.
Hi, I'm Lauren and I'm the Human Resources Officer at East Gippsland Water. Human Resources involves a variety of duties and responsibilities, including recruitment, learning and development, inductions, performance management, enterprise bargaining agreements, arranging events, employee visas and much more.
Hi, my name's Matt and I'm currently working at East Gippsland Water through the Monash Industry Placement Program. I'm working in the operations section in water quality. A couple of the projects I've been involved with have been a fluoride tracer study at the dam behind us. I've also done a few other things such as organising contractors.
Hi, I'm Scott. I'm the IT Support Officer at East Gippsland Water. I'm the first port of call for people if they have any computer or technology related problems. I also do other IT related work such as setting up new servers and server maintenance.
My name's Simon Robertson. I'm the Manager for Infrastructure Planning. That involves basically planning what the requirements of the company are going to be for the next 10 to 15 years in order to meet the expectations of our customers.
Hi, I'm Gary Black. I'm in Operations and Maintenance. In Operations and Maintenance I do repairs of leaking water mains, copper sewages. Currently at the moment I'm preparing for air scouring, which is a pulsating of water and air together that cleans retick mains throughout the water system. In that system that we also do checking valves and fire plugs, upgrading our GIS, which is for field view, for after hours call outs, so that way we can find all our assets, and it's just an enjoyable job.
Hi, I'm Terry Watt from East Gippsland Water. I'm the Senior Operator of the whole Mitchell system, which is from Lake Tyers through to Lindenote. We maintain supply throughout, water supply and sewerage supply throughout the whole area. My job is to look after staff and make sure these issues of broken water mains and sewer blockages are repaired and everyone's services put back on.
Hi, my name is Jared Feather and I'm Team Leader for Water Treatment Plant Operations Group at East Gippsland Water. The main role that I play at East Gippsland Water is coordination of staff within Water Treatment Plant Operation Group, running of our occupational health and safety and environment system for our water treatment plants and disinfection plants, overseeing the running and maintenance of all of our water treatment plant and disinfection plant facilities, and upgrades to any facilities for the future.
I enjoy my job because there is lots of variety and opportunities. I learn something new every day. East Gippsland Water has a great workplace culture, and I enjoy working with the people in my team, as well as networking and meeting new people.
The things I enjoy about my job are that there is lots of variety. I'm required to do lots of travel to remote areas such as Malakuta and Omeo, and it's a very challenging role in a technical field which requires in-depth knowledge of the water treatment plant process and the facilities that I'm responsible for.
So how I got to where I am now, I finished year 12. I then went to Monash Gippsland. I'm currently studying there, doing a Bachelor of Applied Sciences. And through that I got in the Monash Industry Placement Program and successfully got a job at East Gippsland.
When I completed Year 12, I did a Certificate 3 and a Certificate 4 at TAFE. While completing the Certificate 4 at TAFE, I did some work experience here at East Gippsland Water. When I finished the Certificate 4 at TAFE, I was offered a traineeship at East Gippsland Water, where I completed a diploma in IT. I was then offered a full-time position at the end of the traineeship.
I started with East Gippsland Water 11 years ago as a trainee on reasonably average pay, I suppose. I worked in operations and maintenance in the water and sewer networks for 9 years, working my way up through the ranks to leading hand. I applied for many different jobs within East Gippsland Water over the years. Some I was successful in, others not so. About 2 years ago I applied for the job of Water Treatment Plant Operations Team Leader and was successful, and I've been there ever since.
I finished Year 12 in 1990, back in the last millennium. I went to school in Shepparton, and after finishing Year 12 I went to Monash University at Caulfield campus, where they used to run civil engineering, and I did that took the gentleman's course, which took 5 years. It normally takes 4 years. Then I went off and worked as a consultant and worked for the Catchment Management Authority down here, and just worked around the traps, worked for EPA, and now I found my way back working for the Water Board in Bairnsdale, which is really good.
For the time being, I'm happy in customer service. Long term, I would like to see myself in management. At the moment, I've already had some opportunities to dabble in management with some professional development offered to me at East Gippsland Water.
I would like to continue working in HR, and I enjoy working in the water industry. I also hope to build on my personal and professional development and eventually work my way up to a supervisor or management position.
In my job as an operator, we use all types of different tools. We're manual, where you're on the shovel and the crowbar, to the excavator, which is mechanical.
The technology that I use on a daily basis would be phones, so I can interact with the customers directly. I also use computers with programs such as Word, GIS and Excel, and also a program called Accurate, which connects customers' details, accounts and properties together in one database.
My position is important because it is important for the corporation to maintain strong relationships with its debtors and creditors, and to also monitor their income and expenses to continue maximising their performance. My role as payroll officer also ensures that everybody gets paid each week.
My job is very important at East Gippsland Water because I'm responsible for providing safe drinking water to all of East Gippsland Water's customers. I'm also responsible for the health and safety of my staff and others within my workplace, and as well as the environment.
As part of the traineeship that I completed with East Gippsland Water, I went to TAFE 1 day a week in Melbourne and completed a diploma in IT. There is also the opportunity for me to obtain industry certifications such as Microsoft and Cisco certifications, which I hope to do in the near future. There is also the opportunity for me to complete studies at a university level.
Some of the training that I've had since I began at EGW was to be trained as a lead auditor accredited to ISO 14001, so that's for our environmental management system. That allows me to go out and do internal audits of all our sites and make sure we're doing everything environmentally friendly.
At East Gippsland Water, I've had the opportunity to undertake certain in-house training, such as tours of wastewater treatment plants and water treatment plants to get an idea of the processes that's followed there. I've also been trained in certain unique things, such as walking on the floating covers here at Wyner,